Hello, Cardano community. This is Darlington with the Lido Nation crew bringing you our closeout video for our F13 Catalyst Explorer 2.0 AI-powered exploration, proposal Tinder, and fun transparency at your fingertips. This was in the Cardano use cases product category. Uh, it's been quite fun working on this Explorer. I don't know if people remember, this used to live on Lido Nation, but we've migrated it recently into its own separate open source product that now lives in its own domain, and is open source, and or at least source available on GitLab and GitHub, um, and with some of the the iteration we've been able to make as part of this proposal, we've seen they've been well received by the community. We have the one of the goal for this specific proposal was to allow people to do deeper research than they've been able to in the past, and then be able to even have AI help with some of that research, or at least sometimes in some cases some of the filtering that often happens when people are trying to find clusters of proposals or themes and those kinds of things within Catalyst. Just some numbers as far as the growth we've seen in the use of the product. We now have over 260 lists that people have created, and those lists together holds about 6,500 bookmarked items, proposals, and other catalyst items, catalyst profiles, idea skill profiles, groups, those kinds of things. In this between Fund 14 and 15, we had over 100 plus, like 115 catalyst profiles, the neon catalyst profiles get claimed, mostly for adding quick pitches and being able to customize your proposals, open graph, HTML metadata. 160 wallets have been added to the site, either as logins or people wanting to provide transparency around where the ADA are being sent for their project payouts. And that's all been really cool to see. The the 30-day average have gone from around 3,000 to now over 5,000 consistently. But let me just do a quick demo, and then we will wrap this thing up and see you on the next one. So this is the site. You can see the home page here typically gets a little update around active voting period, highlighting the quick pitches more. We introduce a new presentation in Fund 14, and people loved it. Proposals. There's a new way now to engage with the proposals. Maybe you're only interested in very specific fields. There is this table view. So here is the card view people are used to, but we also now have and there is the mini card view for people who are just trying to find lots and lots of stuff. But we also have the table view now, and the table view lets you customize what is shown on the list. You can go through all of these columns and other types of data related to the proposal. These are the milestones. So that is pretty cool. We've seen a lot of use of this and people, and this is stored in your browser, so it will be remembered between sessions, and you do not have to be logged in. And once you toggle this table view, it becomes the default view of proposals around the site as we show you proposal list until you toggle again, which is pretty neat. What else was added as part of this proposal? I think the other big thing was the AI stuff, but we did a final milestone demo that shows all the AI stuff. There is stuff like you can generate AI comparison here. Um, I'm not going to go through all of it, but this just gives you uh, it rates the proposals based on the AI pretends to be a milestone reviewer, and uh, and we also feed it specific catalyst data to try to generate a useful response as possible. Same with there's now an AI chat box. Oh, this global search is new. Just a really quick way to get to proposal on any page you are, and then of course it remembers your last few proposals you visited to get you to enable you to quickly jump back. But now we have this AI chat as well that you can see. I've already been chatting with the thing. The other big improvement, and this was also a driver for people claiming their profiles, in the back end here, you can now manage a proposal. And we have some useful tools for people who have proposals, funded or non-funded. You can add a quick pitch if you don't have one. You can customize your Open Graph card. This will make this will be how people see a preview of your links if you share the Catalyst Explorer proposal link. So if you share this in like Telegram or Twitter or Discord, this image will be generated in your user's chat, which is pretty cool. You can customize what you want on here, including the call to action text and backgrounds and stuff. Yep, what's next for the project? We really want to lean into the AI pipeline we have now, or maybe exploring a tooling for milestone reviewers, maybe AI powered checklist that can help milestone reviewers consistently review the proposal against all of the criteria every single time. Also, most people are mobile. We want to double down on the mobile experience and have a mobile first experience, maybe a progressive web app. So people don't always have to be on a desktop. There's a few things while seeing what the community is interested in and how they're using the tool. And that will drive ultimately what we decide and what direction we go into. Well, that's all for this one. Thank you again for the support. Thank you for using the tool. Our DMs are always open if you run into any issues, and I will see you online.